Hey everybody, here's my pontoon boat. Now my wife and I, we use this for trolling on the lake. We both have bad shoulders, so we can't cast and retrieve like you see the guys on the bass boats doing. Uh, Recently I had to buy 2 new pole holders. This is what I got. I hope they work out. These are, I guess you can see that. I'm standing down on the ground. Scotties. The reason why is I had these two on, I bought 4 of these. I had them on the boat for, I guess about 2 years. Now I don't know what we got into on the lake. I would expect they were probably maybe 25 or 35 pound spotted bass, but this one pulled the bolt right out through the cap. I got a tie wrap on it. If you look here, well, you can see there's brass inserts in there to hold it on. If you look here, the brass inserts have been torn right out of it. This one, the only thing that saved this was the pole fell on the boat when it tore loose. You notice the brass inserts are gone, and the whole bottom plate is at the bottom of the lake. Now these were not cheap. Let's see, where was the name on these things? I guess you can see that it's Taco, T-A-C-O, or Taco maybe, T-A-C-O, I don't know. Nice looking pole holders, but if you're going to have that problem, it's not something I want. Luckily, when this one broke loose, when we get a fish on, I turn the motor off. So what happened was it came down here, and pole, reel, and pole holder, well, what was left of the pole holder, the one bolt with the tie wrap on it was hanging right in here. The pole was gone, the reel was gone. I walked to the back of the boat, and I happened to see a piece of monofilament over the top of the motor. So I raised the motor up, grabbed the monofilament, and pulled it in, and there was my pole and reel. And amazingly enough, they still work. But I'm just, and these things may be fine for some people, but if you got a chance of tying into something really big, I can't recommend them. This is going to be a short video, kind of a rant, I guess. Alright, that's enough of this for now. It's going to be a real short video. There's 1, 2, 3, and there's one missing totally because it came off the boat and it's gone. That was the one with the pole that I rescued. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll get back to you another day, maybe with another rant or maybe something positive. Bye. Okay, there's the boat. I'm going to add to this. This is a rubber insert out of the Taco pole holders. It comes with 2 of them with each one to match smaller square tubing reels. Scotty didn't come with them. The Scotties that I bought didn't come with them. In my estimation, Scotty should, these have to be cheap, should be, I should send them 2 with each pole holder. That's what Taco did. I took the ones in the Tacos and put them underneath the Scotties so that they match my pole holders, my rail. Otherwise, you got to hit on one of the poles, it would just slide on down. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, a thumbs up, thumbs down would be appreciated. Make a comment if you'd like. Anything that I might be able to improve, comment would be appreciated. Another thing you could do, if you want to see some more videos that I've made, all you've got to do is go down here and click on this little icon down here. It'll take you to where you can subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.